I actually, I had wanted to be an actress, and my father encouraged if I wanted, and I took lessons for a while with Chayele Grober, who was a well-known actress in Europe, but also in Montreal. You know, I don't remember her that well, but I just remember her teaching me how to breathe. I remember her hands, the way she moved her hands. She would teach us how to move our hands, me, it was private, and how to breathe from the stomach up. You know, she was very prominent looking woman, but I don't remember her that well. But I must have been 7, 8 years old when I was with her, and I didn't last that long with that either. So I did study with her, then realized that that was not going to be my profession, so I stopped.